Ranked third as the country's most dangerous profession by the U.S. Department of Labor, aerial application is considered a risky business in the day and a pressure cooker of tension at night. Why fly at night? Temperatures are cooler and winds die down, but it's more than that. It's about protecting the environment, the bees and other pollinators, to ensure the growth of healthy and abundant crops. For these pilots, flight often begins after 9 p.m. and continues to 2 a.m. This allows the pollinators to retire before spraying begins and the spray to dissipate, creating a safe environment before the pollinators return the next morning. Flying in a small plane 10 feet above the ground at high speeds presents risk, but the true hazards and contributors to low safety margins are the existence of electrical wires, communication towers, meteorological towers, and wind turbines. These objects are almost impossible to see at night with the aircraft's wing lights. Is there a better solution? Jim Winkle, president of Aviation Specialties Unlimited, and Bruce Hubler, a seasoned veteran of aerial application, believe night vision goggles are the answer.
With night vision goggle capability, ag operators can increase those margins in a way that no other technology can afford in the cockpit. NVGs enable that operator to see the tree line more readily, assist in maintaining altitude above the ground, and at the end of the day provide a level of situational awareness that is difficult to gain in a very dark environment.
We've been flying night ag, flying 10 foot off the ground over 100 miles an hour for over 40 years. We already operate at night. This will make us safer, more efficient, and these goggles will pay for themselves, I believe, in the very first season that we run them. When you're up there making a turn coming back on a dark night, you're using a turn light off one side of the wing, and you can still only see what this light provides. Now, with this enhancing all the light around you, a little bit of light off your aircraft, you're back to seeing everything like you can in the daytime, and sometimes even more. So it is absolutely amazing.
Aviation Specialties Unlimited has been a leader in the establishment of night vision goggles, STCs, and flight training. They have a long-standing relationship with the FAA, ACOs, MITO offices, and local FSDOs around the country. They recognize the importance of equipment selection, training, service, and maintenance, and offer clients a complete turnkey solution.
The implementation of a night vision goggle program may seem very difficult at the beginning. ASU is here to help you every step of the way. From the purchase of the night vision goggles, to the modification of your cockpit, to the training of your pilots, and the ultimate approval by the FAA, we're here to help you every step of the way. For nearly 20 years, one of ASU's cornerstones has been education. Not only educating the operator in the use of night vision goggles, but also educating the regulator. We've worked hand in hand with the FAA to help develop rules and an understanding of how this equipment works. We intend to continue that work with the FAA in the ag industry.
The aerial application industry is taking advantage of advanced technology and better built aircraft, GPS, and mapping systems. It's time to take advantage of night vision goggles to improve your sight, lower your risks, and increase your efficiency.
If I was talking to another operator, this is what I'd tell them. People are going to be a lot more open to the fact that they're going to go out there and fly just as efficiently as you can in the daytime, because you're not looking around. Your turns can be that efficient because you know where you're at and you can see where you're turning. So the advantages of flying at night, which there are, you know, people aren't not in the field. You don't have school buses running around the roads by your field, and so there's definite advantages being out at night.
The ASU difference really comes down to one thing, and that's aircraft on the ground. ASU is all about enabling operators and affording operators with the proper tools to keep their aircraft flying. ASU is committed to the industry. We're a long-term member of the night vision industry, and we're going to be here for a long time to come.
If you'd like to know more about night vision goggles for aerial application, or want to set up an appointment to experience the difference night vision goggles can make in your operation, call ASU today at 208-426-8117 or visit our website at www.asu-nvg.com/ag. Being the global leader in night vision imaging systems means not settling for status quo. It means constantly exploring new frontiers of development. Aviation Specialties Unlimited is serious about its response to customer demands for innovation and partners with manufacturers who prioritize research and development to advance night vision and safety. Since its beginning in 1995, ASU has based its night vision goggles and accessories on military standards to deliver maximum performance. Historically, the ANVIS 9 series of night vision systems has been ASU's foundation for civil and military products. However, ASU's partnership with L3 Warrior Systems has introduced a new evolution of night vision, which allows ASU to offer a greater product range to customers. The L3 ANVIS 9 features proprietary unfilmed Gen 3 image intensifier tube technology that significantly enhances aviator night vision. This partnership also made highly sophisticated laser aiming and illumination devices, night vision devices, laser rangefinder systems, computerized fire control systems, thermal imaging systems, and sensor fusion systems available for military operations domestically and internationally in Mexico, Central America, South America, and the aviation world. At ASU, we service the industry with passion and commitment. Modifying a pilot's cockpit and the crew's working environment is a serious responsibility and should only be completed by an experienced, time-tested professional. That professional is Aviation Specialties Unlimited. ASU is the global leader in night vision products, service, and support, and holds the largest number of supplemental type certificates for FAA-approved ANVIS aircraft modifications in the U.S., and holds the record number of commercial night vision imaging installations, over 700 and counting, twice the number of other modifiers combined. Installation of an ANVIS-compatible lighting system into your rotor wing or fixed-wing aircraft is a specialized service which requires evaluation of your current lighting system, analysis of your type of operation, and experience flying in the conditions you fly. The use of night vision goggles in an aircraft with standard lighting produces blooming, excessive glare and reflections into the pilot's field of view. ASU eliminates this problem by installing a combination of specially designed and manufactured ANVIS lights, filters, bezels, and floodlights in the cockpit and cabin. The result is greater visual acuity for both the pilot and the crew. ASU's modification process is turnkey and includes acquisition of the original cockpit photos, preparation of configuration drawings, designing the cockpit to ensure compliance with FAA regulations, manufacturing and installing the compatible lights and filters, testing for daylight readability and ANVIS compatibility, and returning your aircraft to service in record time. ASU is aware that taking an aircraft out of service is costly and works diligently to shorten this time by modifying the aircraft at your facility with your schedule in mind. For FAA-approved expert ANVIS aircraft modifications, call Aviation Specialties Unlimited and experience the ASU difference. Aviation Specialties Unlimited is the leader in night vision imaging systems. They know that excellent customer service and ongoing support are key factors in their partnership with clients. ASU developed the NVG Service Department to guarantee superior service, repair, and maintenance for their clients' NVGs and accessories, regardless of type or model. The NVG Service Department is spearheaded by a dedicated full-time team of factory and military-trained technicians. Their outstanding knowledge and quality of service is recognized by the manufacturers. They are the only technicians authorized by manufacturers to service NVG components, subcomponents, and ancillary equipment. ASU technicians' extensive experience and relationships with manufacturers has gained them approval to provide part and maintenance training to ASU clients who want hands-on NVG experience. Quick return of your equipment to service is the primary goal for ASU. ASU maintains a large inventory of spare parts on site to expedite technician work and return your equipment in record time, normally within 24 to 48 hours. Call Aviation Specialties Unlimited today to talk to an NVG service technician about your service needs. ASU's trainers are some of the country's foremost experts in night vision training. Their education and experience are derived not only from military aviation, but from their years of experience in civilian aviation, which is a rarity for trainers in the night vision industry. They've gained incomparable experience flying in every environment, through rain, snow, sleet, and dark of night, over mountaintops and valley floors, desert sands, and tropical jungles. ASU trainers have experienced it all and understand the capabilities and limitations of NVGs. ASU's training excellence is recognized by the Federal Aviation Administration. ASU's pilot and crew member training programs are tailored to fit their type of operation in their aircraft and in their geographic location. ASU's complete training package also offers refresher training for pilots and crew members seeking annual recertification. ASU has provided products and services to civil, military, and oil clients from 50 countries across 6 continents with 100% satisfaction. Aviation Specialties Unlimited is confident they can meet your training needs. Call us today and experience the ASU difference.